We had just gotten to the spot, walking through the woods, trying to find a place to sit down. I've never hunted there before. We had no idea that this hunt was going to go from a 0 to a 10 this fast. As soon as we had gotten to kind of the top of the hill, we realized that there was a little ditch, and inside of that ditch there was a tom with a hen standing there at about 50 yards.
It's really far. Not that far. It's like 60 yards. I don't think it's that funny. Is he the only one? There. Okay. Can you still see him? Alright, hey. Come towards me and we're gonna put him in between us and that tree right there. Okay? You go first. I'm not even bringing my gun. I might need it. Oh, don't move. Hey, just stay right here, they're coming. That hen's about to walk up to the top of that hill right there. She's gonna buzz us. Where's he at? What? Alright. Do you hear him drumming? Here, just get ready. He'll walk out in range. There, wait a second. There's one in the field. Is that the hen that's in the field out there? I think that's his hen. Get ready. Oh, I see. Oh, here, yeah, get down. Hey. He's definitely in range. Thanks. 100%. I just saw him. He's right around 30, 35. Well, can you get to that dirt spot right there? Probably. If you get right there, you should definitely have enough room to stand up and shoot him. Get him, shoot him. Get him, shoot him. He's right there. He's running into the field. He's right there. He's running into the field. Hadn't been doing much talking, but we've just been grinding these past 2 days just trying to get on some birds. We're on one right now, but it's so late in the evening. I don't know if we're going to be able to make a move on him or not, but I'll keep you guys posted.
Me from the future, about a month after turkey season. We did not get back into the woods until about a week after that last clip was shown. Super busy time. So we're gonna jump into 2 weeks after that. We roosted a bird the night before and decided to set up in the same field where we had some great luck last year. If you don't really remember, let me show you. Double up. We had been sitting here a couple of hours, and then we realized why we had not seen or heard any turkeys. That's a big coyote, and she is headed straight for us. Well, that's the first for me. I can't, he just took 3 to the brain pan. I don't know how he didn't die. But sorry for not talking. Just lip squeaked the coyote in from like 200 yards. Ran right into 30 yards. Shot him right in the face. He lived somehow. Whew. He at least got away, but dang, I'm gonna look at the footage. But so much for a turkey hunt. Well, me and Bryce just found her actually, and she's still alive. Had to put another one in her, but.
That's that other shell that you shot.
Gosh, that's a big old coyote. Yeah, it's right there on the ground. Sorry I shot 2 of your shells. I don't know how I missed it that first time.
You hit fire.
Damn.
Here, let's get her out here.
Oh, yeah. I must have killed the coyote of bad luck because after that, we did not have anything happen for us the rest of the season. The turkeys just weren't doing what they were supposed to be doing at that time, and working full time just made it incredibly hard to get out into the woods. But our friends up in New York had a completely different story. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. We have a lot of stuff coming up planned. Work is just really getting in the way of all the plans that I have, but I will make it work 100%. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.